Hello? Is your Whirlpool WTW5010LW washing machine flashing lights and refusing to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to hopefully get it running again. We'll cover common causes and simple fixes you can try at home. First, let's try the easiest fix, the power cord. Unplug your washing machine from the wall outlet. Wait about 1 minute. Then, plug it back in securely. This can sometimes reset the machine's electronics. If that doesn't work, let's move on to the next possible issue. Check your water inlet hoses. Make sure both the hot and cold water supply valves are fully open. Look for any kinks or obstructions in the hoses. Kinks can restrict water flow and prevent the machine from starting. Also, inspect the inlet screens. These small screens are located where the hoses connect to the machine. They can become clogged with sediment. Clean them thoroughly if they're dirty. A clogged screen can reduce water pressure. Next, let's look at the lid switch. This switch prevents the washer from operating when the lid is open. Sometimes, it can malfunction or become dirty. Try opening and closing the lid firmly a few times. This might help reseat the switch. If you're comfortable, you can visually inspect the switch. You'll need to unplug the washer first. The switch is usually located under the lid. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you suspect a faulty switch, it may need to be replaced. Now, let's consider the control panel. Sometimes, the control panel can become unresponsive. To try resetting the control panel, unplug the washer for several minutes. Then, plug it back in and try running a diagnostic cycle. Consult your owner's manual for instructions on how to start a diagnostic cycle. If the control panel still doesn't respond, it may need professional repair. Finally, if none of these steps work, there may be a more serious underlying issue, such as a faulty motor, a damaged control board, or a problem with the drain pump. These issues often require a qualified appliance repair technician. Remember to always disconnect the power before attempting any repairs. If you are not comfortable working with electrical appliances, it's best to call a professional. I hope these troubleshooting tips helped you fix your Whirlpool washing machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to support the channel. Your support helps me create more helpful content. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if these tips worked for you.